Hi there, welcome once again. Today I'm going to show to you my yung mga not so real Hermes that I have. Unahin natin sa ating mga mini Kellys. Kelly, because I'm a fan of this design of bags ng Hermosa, ng Hermes. So ako, ito yung mga not real. Wala lang, natuwa lang ako kasi nainggit ako kay Jamie Chua. She has a lot of Birkins and Kellys. Ako naman, na not so real, pero meron din naman. Ayan. First is my mini Kelly na black. Ayan. This one. Ito yung mini Kelly ko na black. It is in croc skin. Ayan. Oo. Ayan. Ito yung una ko. And then, meron akong second. Ito naman, another croc skin. Palladium hardware. Ito, gold hardware. May 2 mini Kellys. And then another is white with palladium hardware. Oh, may mga ganun, di ba? Palladium. White. Pangatlo ko yan. And then, the fourth one is red. Red siya structured. This is in Cellier. Cellier yung tahi niya. Cellier yung tawag niya. So, 3, 4. And then, the fifth one is, I think this is 20. Kanina ito yung bougainvillea na color. Parang red. Yan. Tapos ito, violet. Ko alam kung how they call it on Hermes. It is a white. So I have 5. 5 mini Kellys. Ayan. Ito yung 5. And then, next would be the Kelly 25. Meron akong Kelly 25. Ayan. Balik na muna natin. Ayan. Anemone. Anemone ba to? Basta ganun. And then, I have my Kelly. Note po kayo doon sa aming mga social media live streams.
At
ayan.
Ang Signal, huwag niyo pong kalimutan. Meron po tayong Signal Play app. Pwede po kayo mag-register ng libreng account at www.signalplay.com. At nasa radyo din po tayo mga kapatid, pero hindi pa po ngayon na. Mamaya pa pong gabi yan.
This is my first Kelly in ostrich skin. Tapos, shave yung kanyang side. Yeah. It is two-tone, black and mushroom. Di ba? Yung alam ako na kulay. Kasi nga, ako, I love watching vlogs on Hermes. Yung lola nyo can't afford pa. Kaya yung mga not so real. So, this is Kelly 25 in ostrich skin. This is in mushroom color. Mushroom nata, di ko alam. Ayan. Next one is in snake skin. Kelly 25 in snake skin. Ayan. Meron siyang in palladium hardware. Ganon. Snake skin. Isa naman is in lizard skin. This is Cellier. Ayan. This is lizard skin. Meron siyang clochette. Ayan. Lucky and clochette. Ayan. This is my third. And the fourth one is ayan, yung kulay ng Hermes. Orange. Ayan. Oo. Ito ay may sarili siyang pala. So may stamp siya, hindi ko alam. House of Hello yata. Ayan, may Hermes. May fourth. Ito 25 sale. Ito naman Retone. Retone kasi Nasa loob yung kanyang stitch. Sorry, tone. Ito, suede and leather. Ito, brown. This is Kelly 28. And then may isa pa akong Kelly. Kelly 32. May Kelly 30. This is in croc skin. Diba? Kelly 30. In croc skin. This is in etan. Etan yan. Etan kapag di pa nga pagka-gray. Etan. Itup kapag brown. These are all my collection of not real Hermes Kellys. I have my mini Kellys, Kelly 25, Kelly 28, and Kelly 30. I think this is Kelly 30. 30, 28, 25, mini Kelly. Yan po lahat ang aking mga collections ng Kelly. Okay. And these are not real. Wala lang, natuwa lang talaga ako. So, bye! Sana mag-subscribe kayo sa aking Ukay Bags ng isang teacherakang baklita. Transgender teacher. Trans teacher in short. Good day and God bless everyone.